Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to select one that we want to work on. Then in the editing menu we have to select the clip that we want to edit. And then if we scroll to the right in the bottom bar, we find the replace button. And if we tap on this, then we have the option to select clips from our albums and different stock footages that the CapCut app provides. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.